everyone, it's Shannon. Welcome back to my channel. I'm in our master bedroom today to give you an updated tour. I already did a video on the bedroom makeover, so I will link that down in the description box below if you want to check that out. That really shows how this room looked like before, and we did a lot of work on it and it looks so much different now, so you want to check that out. But today's video is really just to give you an updated tour because we've added a lot of new accessories and we really wanted to make this space sort of a very comfortable, relaxing escape for me and Brian. So this room really reflects our personality and I love it so much. It's probably my favorite room in the house, and we've added several accessories from Kirkland, so I want to share those with you today as well. So let's go ahead and get started with the updated master bedroom tour. So let me give you a little bit of a rundown on our home. It was built in 1908, so it is just over 100 years old. And the problem that we ran into with this space is that there are a lot of doors and windows, so we had to get creative as far as furniture placement goes. Nonetheless, I think we were able to make the most of the space, and then adding all of these special personal little touches to the room is what really gives it life. I love Brian's acoustic guitar that hangs on the wall, so it's not only art, but it's also functional, so he can just grab it and play when he likes. On this nightstand, I have a mini fig tree, which I'll link that tutorial down in the description box below. I also have a candle from Kirkland. I love these. They smell so good, and I have to have candles in my bedroom, so this is such a nice scent for the summertime right now. Our Tufted Headboard is another DIY, and I'll link that tutorial down below so you can check that out. And then above, I know I had asked a lot of you for suggestions on what we could hang above the headboard in between the windows, and I found this perfect wood piece from Kirkland's, and I just accented it with a boxwood wreath, and it was just the perfect size and touch for this space. I also love lots and lots of pillows on my bed. It's just very luxurious feeling and it's very plush and cozy. This accent pillow in the front is from Kirkland's and it sets off the striped one behind it nicely. I also accented the end of the bed with a nice summertime throw that has a pretty boho print on it. I handmade this cute little bed tray that you see here. It's made out of Dollar Tree supplies, so if you'd like to check out that tutorial, I will link that down in the description box below for you to see as well. Now moving over to the other nightstand, I have a matching lamp over here with an acrylic base that I really love because it's really nice and lightweight. And then next to that, I have a mirrored picture frame with a picture of me and my babies, and then a faux plant and a accent vase. This little nook in our bedroom needed some purpose, so we added in a chair, which is from Kirkland's, some area rugs, and a mirror, and that really did just make the whole space pop. But really the whole space sort of revolves around this gorgeous chair from Kirkland's. It has a linen fabric and a weathered wood finish. It is just beautiful. It has sort of a French country theme, but it's also very decadent and has that glamorous look. It's got so many beautiful details in the wood, and not only is it really beautiful, but it's also very comfortable too. So this has really been a great new space in the room for us to enjoy. And then just another little accent above this chair is this wood sign that I handmade or updated. You can see that tutorial linked down below too. I have this decal available in my Etsy shop, which is crossinmyheart.com, if you like to create your own wood sign. It's kind of a special little thing for us in our bedroom. It just works perfectly. Now moving over to the other side of the room here, we have our closet. It's not a big closet, but I just did a big makeover on it, and if you missed that video, I will link that down in the description box below too, because it looks a lot different now. It's actually really nice and organized, and it's a really great space. Even though it is a smaller closet, it does work for us. We also have 2 dressers in the room. Since we do have the smaller closet, we needed more storage space, and I have this beautiful mirrored frame on the wall, which helps to accent the one that you saw on the nightstand, so it helps pull in that look. And then I have some pretty candlesticks and a couple jewelry boxes. I really love these beautiful glass jewelry boxes. My friend gave me one, so the purple one is very special to me. And like I said, on this side of the room we have 2 dressers, and you'll also see above the second dresser the matching pair to the wood piece that is from Kirkland that you saw above our bed. We also have another one of Brian's beautiful acoustic guitars, and this space also has a pretty lamp on it. Brian really loves candles and antiques as well, so this is one of his oil lamps and a candle that I had bought him. And this photo is from when we went to the symphony, so just a special memory for us to have in the space. And another thing we love about this old house are the gorgeous giant packet doors, and on the other side of those doors is our living room. But it's just a nice little piece of history that also acts as art in our bedroom. And that brings us back around to the start of the room. I would have to say my favorite things about this room are Brian's guitars that accent the walls, the new rug and chair that just really make this room pop and have more functionality and style and life, and also the candles, because I definitely can't live without those in our room. Thank you all so much for joining me for today's video. I hope that this tour inspired you. If it did, give it a thumbs up for me. You can also hit that subscribe button so you can stick around and join me every single Monday, Wednesday, and Friday for new DIYs, tutorials, and new inspiration. And while you're at it, hit the bell so you get notified when my videos go live. Thank you all so much again, and I'll see you next time. Bye everyone.